JJ.A.C Tech Channel. TP-Link Tapo C200, Pan-Tilt Home Security Wi-Fi Camera, Unboxing and Installation. The Tapo C200 features 1080p high-definition video, providing users with clear and detailed footage. The device offers 360-degree horizontal and 114-degree vertical range, enabling complete coverage of the area every time it detects movement. The device uses smart motion detection technology to send instant notifications to your phone. The Tapo C200 comes equipped with a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing users to communicate with family, pets, or worn-off intruders. The device supports microSD cards up to 512 GB for local storage, providing a secure and cost-effective way to store footage. Package contents: installation guide, mounting brackets and kits, 9V DC power adapter, Tapo C200 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.